Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a natural no makeup look, which looks like this. And if you haven't seen my skincare routine video already, then go and watch that, because skincare is very important when it comes to makeup. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is using my Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. This is going on any blemishes I have on my face, any bits of my face that essentially need concealing. After this, we're going to move on to the slightly strange part of the routine, which is using Johnson's baby powder. I know this is weird, but actually it gives an amazing finish to your skin. I'm just applying it with a Nancy powder brush. Now, the baby powder gives a really nice flawless look to your skin, makes it really smooth, and it smells good. So I'm going to bake with that for a couple of minutes and then use this Real Techniques brush to brush off any excess powder. After this, I'm going to be using my MAC bronzer. I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose and my forehead, just to give it a bit of colour and just to kind of highlight the areas where the sun would naturally hit my face. After this, I'm going to be using my MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, also a little bit on my chin as well. Next, I'm using a KIKO brow gel to work onto my eyelashes, as well as obviously my eyebrows, just to tidy them up. Moving on to lips, I'm using the Honey Lip Scrub by LUSH, which I absolutely love. Once this is all blended in, I'm going to use my Burt's Bees Peppermint Lip Balm. This is the best lip balm in the world, people. One more thing, the Badescu face spritz. I've forgotten the name of this thing, but essentially it's really, really hydrating. And yeah, that is the finished look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.